Hey guys, this is Alante Wheeler with DMA Real Estate, and today we're in Canton, Michigan, showcasing the Austin by Lombardo Homes. Come in and take a look. All right, so now that we're inside, we're met with this beautiful office space here, natural light through the two windows, and who wouldn't want to do deals on this nice table here? Now that we come back into the main hallway, you do have a half bathroom on the first floor, and you have stairs down to your full basement, and then it welcomes you into this awesome living room area with the open concept to your kitchen. And now that we're entering the kitchen space, you're met by this impressive island. You can have 4 people sitting here with the extra couple on the side. Not to mention you have your formal dining room area here, seating up to 8 with beautiful windows and beautiful views. And now we're moving along to our coffee station here next to the beautiful Whirlpool stainless steel appliances. Got the refrigerator there, double oven, which is very impressive, and a large pantry here. And here we have our electric stove, which I love to use, and we also have a deep farmhouse sink to complement the island here, and that's a beautiful kitchen. Now entering back into the main hallway, we do have the 2-car garage there along with a beautiful mud room, and I'm gonna take you upstairs to show you the finish. Welcome to upstairs, where you're met with a beautiful loft area that connects all 4 bedrooms as an extra gathering spot. You do have a bedroom here, bedroom there, and a convenient laundry room that's in between all bedrooms. And now we are entering the primary oasis, or the master bedroom. Beautiful space here. You have your wood paneling along the ceiling, extra large closet space, and wait till you see this bathroom. You are met with his and her sinks, convenient storage space, huge shower, and a private bathroom. All right guys, this is Alante Wheeler. Thank you for taking this tour of the Austin floor plan with Lombardo Homes with me here in Canton, Michigan. If you have any questions, please reach out.